Welcome to Leland, Mississippi, a small delta town with a rich history that reaches far beyond its size. Located in Washington County, Leland has long been a center of agriculture, transportation, and culture. Today we'll explore the history that shaped this community, from fertile farmland and railroads to famous residents and the quiet beauty of Deer Creek. Leland was founded in the late 19th century during the rapid expansion of the Mississippi Delta. The town was named for James Leland, a railroad official associated with the development of the town. The rich alluvial soil deposited by centuries of Mississippi River flooding made this one of the most fertile agricultural regions in America. Cotton quickly became the economic engine of the area. Large plantations surrounded the growing town, employing thousands of workers to plant, cultivate, and harvest what became known as white gold. Like much of the Mississippi Delta, Leland felt the effects of the Great Mississippi Flood of 1927, one of the worst natural disasters in American history. Although the town itself was protected from the deepest floodwaters, thousands of acres of surrounding farmland were inundated. Crops were destroyed, families were displaced, and the disaster changed the Delta forever. The arrival of the railroad accelerated Leland's growth. Rail lines connected local farmers with markets in Memphis, New Orleans, St. Louis, and beyond. Cotton could now be shipped quickly across the country, while suppliers and manufactured goods flowed back into the Delta. Businesses flourished around the depot, and the railroad helped transform Leland into one of the region's busiest small towns. During the 20th century, agriculture continued to evolve. Tractors and mechanical cotton pickers gradually replaced much of the hand labor that had defined plantation life for generations. Many residents left rural communities for larger cities, changing the population of towns across the Delta. Even so, farming remains an important part of Leland's economy, with cotton, soybeans, corn, and other crops continuing to cover the surrounding countryside. Flowing quietly through the heart of Leland is Deer Creek, a waterway that has played an important role in the town's history for generations. Long before railroads arrived, Deer Creek served as a natural transportation route for Native Americans and early settlers. Later, it became an important source of water for nearby plantations and farms that made the Delta one of the world's richest cotton-growing regions. Today, the creek offers a peaceful setting that contrasts with its busy past. Its tree-lined banks, historic bridges, and calm waters make it one of Leland's most scenic landmarks and a reminder of the natural beauty that has always been part of life in the Mississippi Delta. As you drive through downtown, you'll notice historic brick buildings that recall Leland's prosperous years as a cotton market. Many have been restored and continue to serve the community, while others stand as reminders of an earlier era when trains arrived daily and cotton wagons crowded the streets. Leland's story is the story of the Mississippi Delta itself, a story of rich soil, hard work, floods, railroads, agricultural, and remarkable resilience. Though smaller than it once was, the town continues to preserve its heritage while looking towards the future. Thank you for joining me as we've explored Leland, Mississippi. If you enjoyed discovering the history and communities of the Mississippi Delta, please like this video and join me for another drive through one of America's most fascinating regions.